Well, it's kind of like a take two because something happened, so I had to start over again. Here I am. You've spent years building for everyone else. Now it's time to build for you. Nope, now we're something's something's meshed up here. Okay, think we got it here. Now it's time to build for you. Sorry about that. um, you spent years building for everyone else, family, work, responsibilities, the whole list. And it's easy to forget that the same strength that built everything for them can rebuild everything for you. So tonight I want to talk about what it really means to build something that supports your life instead of running it. Hey friends, I'm Claudette Eames, entrepreneur, mentor, certified mental wellness coach, and I help the mature age community rebuild calm and strength naturally while creating income that actually fits your life. These lives are where we talk about what's real, what it takes to feel steady again, and to build with peace and purpose. Not burnout and noise, because that's no fun, right? So for years I was doing it all, like caregiving, I was a contractor, business and family. I thought if I worked hard, the reward would be peace. But what I built kept me busy, not balanced. I was exhausted, and didn't even realize I was building everything around my life and not for it. Can you relate to that? It finally hit me when I asked myself one simple question. What if I built something that gave back to me, not just drained me? That's when everything started to change. Now I'm part of a community and system that supports my health, my energy, and my financial growth without the chaos. And it's the reason I'm so passionate about helping others find that same fit. So let's talk about what building for you actually looks like. Um, you don't trade you don't trade your calm for cash flow. You work in rhythm that supports your life. You're not reinventing the wheel. You're stepping into systems that already work. They're already proven. Every decision comes from energy and values, not pressure or panic. That's what health and wealth together really look like. Not either or, but both in harmony. So you're not behind because you're building slower, you're just building smarter. Every step feels calm. Every step that feels calm is one that actually lasts. And when you lead from peace instead of pressure, everything grows stronger. Your health, your business, and your confidence. Because confidence doesn't just happen. You have to put in the steps in order to build that place so then the confidence lifts. Does that make sense? If you've been carrying the weight for everyone else and wondering when it gets to be your turn, this is it. This is your reminder that you're allowed to build something that fits you, supports you, and restores you. I love the restore part. If this landed for you, drop the word start. Drop the word start in the comments. And if you're watching a replay, please hashtag replay. Drop the questions. You can also DM me so it's private, whatever works for you. Message me privately, and I'll share that first simple step, what it can look like. No pressure, just real options that fit your life. And if you missed this morning's post, go ahead, go read it after this. The link to my latest blog is in the comments there, because building something that fits your life isn't selfish. It's smart. So thanks for being here. Again, I'm Claudette, and I look forward to talking to you soon.